I just had a $22,000 day with one simple entry model that I've been trading for over 5 years. It still works every single day on NASDAQ, on the indices. And in this video, I'm gonna break it down step by step. Let's go. This is the exact trade I took. Also, the trade on the left you see is a similar trade I took the day before. But let's take a look at what it actually means. It's so stupidly simple. Step one is there needs to be a clear draw on liquidity. And most of the time, that's just a higher time frame fair value gap. I'm gonna explain a short example now. And if we have a clear draw on liquidity, we also need to have a starting point of our trade, like where we can have a liquidity sweep from. And what we want to see is this structure forming around the open. So we go to buy side liquidity, then we do aggressive buys, aggressive sells, market structure shift, changing character, and we trade towards that drawn liquidity. If you've watched one or two ISD videos, you must understand this exact model, right? So what you will see most of the time is that there is a liquidity sweep, there's an inversion fair value gap sitting on top here. There will be a bearish fair value gap sitting there. There will be a bearish order block sitting at the liquidity level, probably also a bearish breaker. There's like a whole plethora of PD arrays sitting in that area of the, you can call it a smart buying reversal or a market structure shift or a V-shaped recovery. Same beast, different names, it's all the same. After that, you have another push with a fair value gap, breaker, order block, the whole 9 yards. And there is where we want to take our trades from. So our trades ideally are or right here already, or you're late to the party around here. This is the model. Now let me show you how it works on the charts. Let's go back to the New York Open on March 12th. And here's where you need to pay attention. Because before the open, we have a very clear drawn liquidity. What's the drawn liquidity? It's a 4-hour bullish fair value gap. That's the big yellow box right there. I can zoom out. Let me show you. Right here. There's a 4-hour bullish fair value gap sitting here. If you go to the 1-hour time frame, there's a red line. And that red line is this swing low sitting right here. So inside that fair value gap on 4-hour, there's a drawn liquidity. It's the red line. So that's going to be the target. Back to the 1 minute. Before the open, we want to see that model. We have a liquidity sweep up there. If you go to the 50-minute time frame, all time frames align here. We had liquidity sweep, market structure shift, and here on the 50-minute, there's a 50-minute fair value gap. Let me zoom in a bit so you guys can see it. There we go. And also here on the 5-minute, there's a sweep here at 9 a.m. So 9 a.m. could already be that you got the turtle soup or liquidity sweep start of the model. And then the New York Open, we wait. I always take my trades after New York Open, after 9:30 a.m. EST. So let's fast forward to that right here. So during 9:30 a.m. EST, I took already a first bullet. It was a loss right here. Took it at in this candle already. I was like, let's go. I'm ready. But I took it too early. And as you will see, I got stopped out by this candle. But I made one mistake here, and I don't want you guys to make that. I forgot that there was a very nice 5-minute bearish fair value gap sitting here. So that's going to be the target. If we zoom out here, we have the exact model. That is, we have a liquidity sweep, structure shift, and now we start trading lower towards the obvious drawn liquidity. That's the exact schematic we drew earlier in this video. At that point, take the trade again, and it runs. And even if you have missed this nice entry, look at where we come back to. So we have that. Let's remove the trade here. In this push, let's say you missed this push. In this push, there's a new PD race created. We have the order block. There's a series of up close candle that's trading to the fair value gap. There's a breaker here, the down close candle. And there's a massive fair value gap here that taps 1, 2, 3 times. So if you've missed that, you could have gotten in down here. Same drawn liquidity, little different risk to reward. I think you can still get a nice 1 to 2 out of here. Yeah, let's say 1 to 2. And then price starts running to the draw on liquidity right here at 10:38. And that's it. And if you are like, okay, cool, nice hindsight, nice one trade, let's go to the previous day. Like this is Thursday, let's go to the Wednesday. What do we see? I see at 10 a.m. a liquidity sweep. Let's go to the 1 minute. This is that liquidity sweep at 10 a.m. Aggressive sells, aggressive buys, inversion for value gap, order block, and then we start trading lower. And once we start trading lower, here we have fair value gap, a breaker, an order block. I got in here. Almost got stopped out. Got lucky here. And then if you zoom out again, the drawn liquidity was very easy. What was it? It was a 4-hour bullish fair value gap. 2 identical trades, One simple model. So make sure you screenshot this right now. I trade this setup every day live with my students inside my Discord, where I share my daily trade ideas and a ton of free frameworks. I'll leave the link to the Discord inside the description. Make sure to subscribe for more of these education videos. I'll go over all the individual concepts here on this channel. 20K day. I can remember 4 years ago when I was happy with a $50 day, and now there are 20K days. It's all the same setup, different contracts. So keep pushing, and I'll see you in the next one.